top point. V total is V center of mass plus V tangential, right? And then V center of mass, and then V tangential is R omega, right? R omega final. So let's find the V total at the top point. V center of mass is going to be, we have that 0.908 plus R omega. R is the distance between the center and the top point, which is 2 meters, times omega, which is 0.613. So you get here, well, that's pretty large. 2.1 something, right? Okay, let's round it. 2.13 meters per second. So velocity of the top point is 2.13 meters per second. My prediction was way, way off, so that's good. No lunch. You don't have to buy me lunch. V total at the top point was, the V total of the top point in the inelastic problem was what? 1.07. The V total of the top point is 2.13, so much bigger than the inelastic. The V center of mass is actually bigger, 0.9. The other one, V center of mass, was 0.5. So we're learning that when you have elastic collision, you impart more impulse, the thing goes forward faster, and it spins faster. Okay? How about the ratio, though? How about is this more than double that? Because that's what determines if it's more translation or is it more rotation. So if V total is that more than twice V center of mass, so we'll put a little question mark here. If it is, then there's more rotation than translation. Okay? So this one is equal to 2.13, right? This one is equal to twice this, which is 1.8. Yeah, it's quite bigger. Actually, if we take the ratio of 2.13 to 1.8, it's a bigger ratio than the ratio of 1.07 to 1, right? The V total of the inelastic problem was 1.07. Twice V center of mass was 1, right? The ratio of 1.07 to 1 is 1.07. The ratio of this to this is what? It should be bigger than 1.07, I think. Yeah, 1.18, which is bigger than 1.07, right? So in other words, when you have an elastic collision, so let me illustrate that. Let's just take any, let's say like a eraser. When you have an elastic collision with it, and I just go, and then I go back, I impart to it more translational velocity and more spin, okay? Versus if I were to do like this. Go with it, you know, like this. And if I were to stick to it, for example, let's say like that, there's less translation that it would have if I stick to it. But if I go back, hit it and go back, it rotates more. It rotates more and it goes forward faster. Okay? Okay, good. So that makes sense. Now let me